know where we are?
No.
Come on, let's go. We'll figure something out.
Oh, sorry.
I'm so sorry I didn't interact with you.
Oh, that's okay. I wasn't looking where I'm going either.
Oh, are you from Zagreb?
Yes, I'm from Croatia.
Well, as you can tell, we are not from Croatia, so...
Yes, we need help, please.
Okay, I maybe can be our tour guide if you
I'm
want.
Celine.
Okay. I'm
I'm
Kylie.
Ivan.
Hi, I'm Kate. I'm Kylie.
Moj Zagreb, tak imam te rad.
Every day for 300 years, this canyon shut at noon. It's a tunnel from World War II.
Very interesting. Hello, hi. Can you give us the key from Domagoj, please?
Yes, of course. I will lead you to your room. Please follow me. Right.
Oh, girls, Ivan is calling me. Hi, Ivan. Okay, that's a great idea. But when? Okay, at 9 a.m. Bye. Okay, girls, I have great news. Ivan is taking us on a trip to Medvednica tomorrow at 9 a.m. Great. Oh, you're already here.
Yes, we have to hurry. I will show you a beautiful view of Zagreb.
Okay, let's go then.
Is Medvednica far from here?
No, I don't think so.
No, it's not. It's higher from here. So, are you curious about anything?
No, especially. Do you know anything interesting about Medvednica in general?
I know it used to be a volcano a long time ago.
Wow, that is interesting. Are there many islands in Croatia?
Yes, there are hundreds of them, but not all of them are so big.
In your opinion, what's the most beautiful one?
Personally, I spent my vacation on Portugal. It's beautiful. People say they're the most beautiful island in the world.
I've heard that they one small island which you can only ride a bicycle on.
It's called Silba. You can't drive car there because people who live there want to preserve environment.